Welcome back to LGS Cars. The air is still. A vast landscape stretches beyond the horizon, untouched, raw, and waiting to be explored. The kind of place where silence isn't empty. It's powerful. Then, without warning, something moves. Not with noise, not with aggression, but with purpose. A compact electric SUV glides across the terrain, effortless, controlled, almost unreal. Its LED light signature glows like a futuristic compass, guiding it forward. The body is bold yet clean, rugged yet refined. Every detail feels engineered not just for the road, but for everything beyond it. And in that moment, you realize this is not just another EV. This is a new kind of adventure machine. Introducing the Rivian R2, the next-generation compact electric SUV from Rivian, designed to bring premium EV technology, off-road capability, and everyday practicality into one bold package. Design, rugged meets minimalist future. The Rivian R2 2026 carries the brand's iconic DNA while becoming more compact and accessible. Exterior highlights signature oval, LED headlights with full-width light bar clean, boxy silhouette with modern proportions. Short overhangs for better off-road angles. Flush door handles and aerodynamic surfaces. 19 to 21-inch rugged alloy wheels. A design that feels adventurous, futuristic, and instantly recognizable. Dimensions estimated. Length approximately 4,700 millimeters. Width approximately 1,900 millimeters. Height approximately 1,700 millimeters. Wheelbase approximately 2,800 millimeters. Balance for urban usability, off-road capability. Spacious interior, smart, durable, and premium. Step inside the Rivian R2 and the focus is clear. Simplicity meets functionality. Cabin experience, minimalist dashboard with horizontal layout. Sustainable and durable materials. Flat floor for maximum space technology. Large central touchscreen, 15-inch class. Fully digital driver display. Advanced software ecosystem, OTA, over the air. Updates, built-in navigation and smart connectivity. Practical features, fold flat seats, front and rear flexibility. Large cargo space, hidden storage compartments, outdoor-ready accessories, built for both daily life and outdoor adventure. Performance, electric power, real capability. The Rivian R2 2026 is designed to deliver strong performance across all terrains. Powertrain options, estimated. Single motor, RWD, dual motor, AWD, tri-motor performance variant, power output range, approximately 300 to 500 plus horsepower, depending on variant. Acceleration 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, approximately 3.5 to 6 seconds. Driving experience, instant torque delivery, precise control on rough terrain, smooth and quiet on highways, a perfect blend of performance and versatility. Battery and range, built for exploration. Battery options, multiple battery packs available range. Estimated, up to 480 to 550 kilometers, WLTP. Charging, fast charging capability. Compatible with expanding EV networks. Home charging support, efficiency, optimized energy management, regenerative braking system, designed to support long-distance and off-grid adventures. Technology, intelligent and connected. The Rivian R2 integrates advanced software and smart features. Key features: digital key, smartphone access, app-based vehicle control, cloud-connected navigation, advanced driver profiles, driver assistance, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, highway assist. Features 360-degree camera system, enhancing both safety and convenience. Market position, a new EV challenger. The Rivian R2 enters a highly competitive EV SUV segment. Competitors: Tesla Model Y, Ford Mustang Mach-E, Hyundai Ioniq 5. Key strengths: unique rugged design, strong performance options, adventure-focused features, competitive pricing expected, a serious contender in the global EV market. Final verdict: the EV for real life and beyond. The Rivian R2 is more than just another electric SUV. It's a new philosophy. Capable in the city, powerful off the road, smart in everyday use, ready for the future. This is not just an EV. This is freedom, electrified. And in a world where most electric vehicles are built for roads alone, this is the one built for wherever the road ends.